Hey guys, what's going on? Mike is back with another episode, right? Today we're gonna find out who is the best seller on the Amazon, right? I choose a 12-inch subwoofer. Maybe later on I'm gonna do 15 inches, 10-inch, 8-inch, and also car audios like head units, 6x9 speakers, so on so on. I did the 6.5 speakers. Watch my other videos, and I'm gonna do all kind of reviews. The most interesting stuff was the men's shoes and the watches, right? The sales on Amazon is like crazy. And also the game is next level. The numbers I'm gonna tell you right now, so the sales rank, how many units they sell, how much money they will generate from these subwoofer sales. It's gonna be very interesting. It's a tons of the websites where is selling all kind of the subwoofers, the car audios, and the guys comment below what is your best website to buy in. And I'm gonna tell you why Amazon is the best against other guys, right? Let's see. So we're gonna see top sellers on the Amazon. Number 15. It's gonna be top sellers at 15, right? I have a cheat sheet I print out here from my web crawler. So number 15, it's gonna be AudioPipe. AudioPipe, this is, I think, is a legit company, right? These guys are long years in the market. These guys with the Pyle audio, the Boss audio. Now the Boss is a little lower than this, but the AudioPipe is like a decent company, and especially with this subwoofer, like looks like a tank, built like a tank. And I don't know, I personally didn't use this subwoofer, but a lot of people is happy. You see the ratings like crazy. Everybody's happy. Put the 5-star. Only couple guys maybe they messed up something and they blow it. So $110 only for the subwoofer. You see the stitching, like huge chunk on the side. This is 12-inch subwoofer, so the chunk is going to be like giant, right? So the sales rank, it's going to be 36 unit sell a month. So they're selling it at between 30 to 40 units a month. They're selling this subwoofer. So and generating only the $4,000 a month, so $3,900. So that's the AudioPipe. Guys, definitely, if you see any subwoofers here, you using it, and they comment below why you guys bought it and what kind of condition you guys using. Sometimes it's gonna be interesting subwoofers. So number 14, what do you guys think? Ryan HCCA. American base, right? American base at $150. They selling a lot, 42 units a month. I took the last 30 days. Maybe the guys bought for Christmas gift for themselves, or we're gonna find out. The ratings also is good, a lot less the rating than previous guy, because the people doesn't like put the reviews on this guy, right? But build quality is American. I'm gonna delete this guy. So American base is very good company. I like personally this company. I use many speakers from them, a couple subwoofers also, and I never had the problem. So this guy is I think it's gonna last. If you normally use, not the base hate type use, normal use, this gonna last forever. So it's gonna get old, you're gonna throw it, right? So 42 to 45 units sold per month, 6,100 generated total revenue from this subwoofer, right? So number 13, who is the guys? Comment below. Kenwood 2. That's a single Kenwood, but the picture is like 2, but they add for you like phone holder, $1 phone holder, so you guys gonna get excited and buy it. The rating is a lot less than the previous guys. The guys just buying it and replacing something. It's a 12-inch subwoofer also, with the only 40 ratings, but the sales 56 to 60 units per month, generating only $3,600 a month, right, with the Kenwood. Next guy, it's gonna be a Planet Audio with the Pyle, I believe, right? Stands the same. If I'm doing some mistakes, you guys know a lot more than me, so definitely comment below what do you guys think about this guy. 160 ratings, and seems to not bad, but it's a 1-star is a lot more. I put the links on description so you guys see. Do not buy, not happy, do not buy. Why? The speaker stays away from not the rest. 900 watt RMS. Of course, when you're buying the for $40, how you gonna run the 900 watt RMS the power? Yeah, well, it's gonna be 200. You're right. but it is what it is, right? But the basket is the painted magnet. It has some cover. Oh, I'm sorry, this guy's $100, guys. $100 comparing with this guy. No, where's my $100? Comparing the $10 difference, guys. This guy explode that guys all day long, but I don't know why is the people buying this more than that. So 58 units per month, generating around $5,500, $5,800, depending on months, right? Yeah, you see some people is making the less research. The $10 they can add it and they can buy a lot better subwoofer, my opinion, right? With the better reviews, but the guys choose to buy this guy more. Boss Audio even more than that, guys. Boss Audio, they selling 61 units per month, guys. It's more, like couple more, but it's gonna get a lot higher. The rank a lot interesting is gonna start, right? 138 ratings, reviews at the $82. This looks like a futuristic, some kind of, you know, UFO style design. But some Chinese companies, they like to adding all kind of stuff, like sticking out something. And yeah, this is the product. Guys, comment below what you guys using it. Seems to you guys like this subwoofer, not bad. So the only few is the bad reviews and so on. Rockford Fosgate, big name, big reputation on the car audio market. They do really good pro audios and really good entry level speakers. I like the Rockford Fosgate products. Amplifiers, also a couple amplifiers I use from them. 2 subwoofers I use from them, and I never had the problems. I was destroying them, like adding. So you're not gonna burn them. You just throw them out when it gets old, right? A lot of people likes that. Couple guys maybe they put the too much power. I put the links on the description so you guys read it. What's going on there? It's $209 also. This guys are pricey, but the people still buys them. 65 units per month, $13,800 generating revenue on this guy. So Rockford Fosgate, it was on the number 10. Number 9 now is the top. Number 9 is who? Finally, Ryan HCCA. No, it's the kickers. 2-pack kickers, 12-inch, $175, and rating is very low because nobody wants to put the reviews. They just buy it, they use it, maybe they're happy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, do you guys running this 93 units, like a 3 times more than AudioPipe? So this is a kicker 12-inch CompC series, and you see the terminals is different. 600 watts peak powers. All right, so next guy, it says hot selling. This guy sells up a lot on this 30 days. That's why it's the hot selling. So next guy, it's gonna be Sundan Audio, right? Let's see. Boom! Surprise! It's $40, $41. Boss Audio. You guys killing this buying this subwoofer. Why? We're always watching millions of views of the big the giant companies, like they running the subwoofers, but we're spending all the money, all the cash in this company, right? This is the Boss Audio, 95 to 110 units per month, generating around $3,400 because it's only $40 piece, right? Next guy, finally, Sundan Audio with the Skar audio sticker. Now these guys are both shares same manufacturer. A lot of guys just hate because this is a copy of Sundan Audio, but a lot of guys just love it because it's offering a lot better the price for that exactly same speaker, and so on. Comment below what you guys think about the Sundan Audio. I personally like this company because the service is good. I spoke a couple guys, they're running a lot of Sundan Audios, and they say the customer service is good. The first thing you're gonna see good customer service, the guys not scared to put up on Amazon their price, because Amazon the one call or the one open return item, you can return the item like for free return, right, if any problems. So the most companies who stands behind the product, they will offer up on the Amazon. So many websites you can buy car audios, but you know, so when you buy it, it's a recycling fee 20%, all that stuff. If you don't like the product, you return it, or is the product is burned, so they're gonna do all kind of excuse. I don't want to say those names, but I've been doing the business a long years with the, you know, car audio system. I know all the, you know, crap BS companies, they advertising all over the place. Good job, Skar Audio, you guys killing it. So how many units? 108 units a month they selling. This is the critical model, right? Another kicker product. So CWCD-124 dual voice coil. The previous one, it was a single voice coil, so this guy is gonna handle 600 maximum power. A lot of people likes that, but nobody wants to put reviews because this guy sells 112 units per month, generating $9,800 a month, right? Next guy, Planet Audio. It's like a Pyle and AudioPipe. The Planet Audio, also old company, for $50, 796 ratings, right? And they sell 115 units a month. Next guy, finally Ryan HCCA or some Pioneer Monster or DC Sound. Nope, Skar Audio. All right, Skar Audio, 130 units a month selling this guy. This guy is destroying the sales, right? It's very good sales rank. Ratings also is very good. You've seen so many good star. Now I'm like, look at the chunk on the side. This guy wants to generate some serious bass. All right, Skar Audio, good job. This is the model SDR12. As I say, 130 units a month, not bad at all. So next guy, finally, Skar Audio again. They say sell 135 units a month again, but this guy with the box generating how much? $40,000 a month. Yeah, $40,000 a month. The price is $300. Definitely, guys, comment below, let us know if you guys running this guy, it is any better, or you would buy different subwoofers with a different box. But the box looks like builds like it's everything like legit, right? By just looking the subwoofer, I will spend $300 for this guy, right? So yeah, let us know what you guys doing. The duals, the 8-inch one is a lot smaller. Maybe I'll order this and I will do the review for 8-inch one. I like this, like tiny small, but it's also, you know, with the Skar Audio chunk on the side. So number two, what are we gonna do? Number two, guys. So let's see. What do you guys think? Any big names on the YouTube, all on the Facebook, all over the place with advertising? Boom. Pyle Audio, $36, guys. 12-inch subwoofer with the 3,400 ratings. But actually, this guy is selling 145 units per month. Every month, 145 to 140 units. So I don't understand. The guys watching on the YouTube all these flakes with these, you know, huge subwoofers, and they get excited and say, "Screw that mic! Let me order this one subwoofer." And cheapest subwoofer in the market, $36. Boom, order, right? I don't know. It's like, and seems to like. A lot of guys is likes. You see that they put the 5-star, and the sales it's like stays around 150 units a month, generating $8,900 revenues. Very interesting. Now it's great for 3 hours. After 3 hours, this guy is blowed. Please Pyle power. 2 days low. 800 watts. No, you're not gonna give the cheap was not the. So you guys know, right? These guys like around 100 watts, the RMS subwoofers, but the guys putting a lot of power. Of course, they're not gonna last long. So number one, and finally we're gonna take number one. Who's the sales? Like the sales rank, it's 440 units to close to 500, right? 489 units a month. What do you guys think? Which subwoofer is that? Every month they selling 400 units a month, generating only $66,000. It means it's not the expensive one, right? Boom, MTX with the box. That's what everybody is buying. Like a lot of guys is buying. Amazon choice, you see that? In the 3,000 ratings, a lot of guys were, you know, writing good comments, all 5 stars. Is so many 5 stars. In 1,000 plus answered questions. So the buyers of this subwoofers, it's very active. Then comparing with the other guys, you see like answered questions 95, 65, $150. Guys, comment below what do you guys think about this subwoofer. If you're running, let us know. It's worth to spend $150 for 2 12-inch subwoofer with the box. All right guys, here's the deal. 15 top sellers on the Amazon. Of course, a lot of online platform out there who doesn't want to put on Amazon their product. They sell the similar product, but they don't want to, you know, the customer service handled like Amazon. For example, oh my god, for example, for this guy you're gonna pay Amazon FBA fee for the MTX, right? For this guy it's around $47. Sundan Audio, they paying around $80, right? Amazon affiliate Amazon FBA fees. That's why if you buy straight from the dealer, it has to be $80 cheaper, but the dealer's matching the price with the Amazon, and the eBay matching the price on the Amazon, but nobody matches service with the Amazon. So there you go. That's what I like. That's Skar Audio when the moves like crazy. All right guys, definitely comment below, let us know which one you guys running and why you bought, how much it was, and your experience with these you know, the subwoofers. Also, if you like something like this, definitely I will do a much more interesting sales ranks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's gonna help me a lot, and see you on the next video, right?